Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how to sync Goodnotes from iPad to Windows. So, you have to follow all these steps below. First of all, 1. Install Goodnotes on both devices. On iPad, open App Store and install Goodnotes. 6. On Windows, go to the Microsoft Store or Goodnotes website and install the Goodnotes for Windows App. 2. Sign in with the same account. Open Goodnotes on both iPad and Windows. Log in using the same Apple ID or Goodnotes account. 3. Enable iCloud sync on iPad. On iPad, go to Settings, gives Apple ID, gives iCloud, turn on iCloud Drive in Goodnotes toggle. In Goodnotes app, go to Settings, gives iCloud, Settings, gives Use iCloud and turn it on. 4. Enable sync on Windows Goodnotes app. Open Goodnotes on Windows, sign in and wait for iCloud sync to connect and pull your documents. 5. Start syncing notes. All your notes from iPad will appear on Windows once its sync completes. Any changes made on either device will sync automatically going forward. Tips: ensure both devices have internet connection. Updates to the Goodnotes app may be required to access full sync features. Free users have limited cloud sync, 2 premium for full access. *. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.